We can now create AI twins for free. Keep watching this video to see the walkthrough of the exact steps on how to do it.
Let's get straight into it. So first, what we're gonna do, you're gonna wanna go into Google Gemini chat. So just to break it down, the Google Gemini chat is just like ChatGPT, but for Google. So that's how we're gonna be creating our AI twins. So to get to the screen, all you have to do is literally go to Google and type in Google Gemini and then press the first thing that pops up, and then you are going to press here. So the second option, you're going to go ahead and press there, and bam, you guys are in the Google Gemini chat. So now what we're going to do, we are going to upload a selfie, and then we're going to prompt what we want to see. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a selfie. This is a selfie that I chose. So now what we're going to do, we're going to click create images. So I clicked once again, click where it says tools. You're going to click create images and you're going to know it's Nano Banana, obviously, because there's a banana. Now, this part is where you can either think of a prompt off the top of your head, or you can use ChatGPT and literally ask it if it can create a prompt for you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna prompt off the top of my head. So let's just say the woman is wearing a Nike. Um, we'll do a Nike crew neck that is black and matching sweats with matching shoes. Okay, so since it's fall, we're gonna do like a Pinterest style photo. So we're gonna do, she's posing for a Pinterest style photo showing off her outfit. We're gonna do, her hair is in a high cute bun with two strands in her face and some pieces out framing her face. We're gonna do, the background is a fall inspired background outdoors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press enter, and then I'll be right back when the results pop up. Okay, so it's done, and this is the outcome. Now, like I said before, sometimes it looks 100% like you, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it'll have your likeliness, but you will see that it is you. Um, that's something that I wanted to emphasize as well, is it's not going to look like you 100% of the time, all the time. Sometimes it'll look like 98%, sometimes it'll look like 99.9, sometimes it'll look like 96%. But if it doesn't come out how you want, you can keep prompting. So we could put change the woman's hairstyle to a low ponytail. Change the outfit to a plaid button up with a white shirt underneath. And let's do light blue jeans. She has on white sneakers. And then we're gonna do, she's posing at a pumpkin patch. So I'm just doing this to show you guys, like, you can edit, and you can do whatever you want to edit the picture if you don't like it. So once again, I'll be back with the results. So see, sometimes it doesn't listen because I said a low ponytail and it put a high ponytail, but it did get the outfit. I love that. And what else? Okay. So what I could do again, change the hairstyle to a low ponytail. She's smiling and holding a mini pumpkin. One more time. And this is how it is after the edit. So this is before and this is after. So it's kind of distorting my face a little bit. Um, so what I would do, honestly, I would re-get this prompt or I would copy the prompt. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my selfie. All I did was screenshot it from the computer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and upload my selfie one more time, but with the new prompt. Okay, so now what I did, I uploaded my selfie one more time with the new prompt because the face just keeps changing the more that I edit. So something I would advise as well is always upload the selfie when you're making a new prompt so it gets your face fresh. So it's not going from the AI generated face, but it's going from your actual selfie. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter and we'll see how this comes out. So this one I love. That is more like me. It kind of looks like my smile. I love how she's holding the pumpkin and everything. Beautiful. So that is how you guys are going to create your AI twin for free. And as you can see, I generated 1, 2, 3, 4 photos and I can keep going. It is not telling me a limit. So keep generating until you can't. Um, and drop in the comments below, like what's something else that you guys want me to show you guys. I love, love, love teaching you guys about AI twins and how to get money with them. Um, so this is the first step of just creating your AI character. Your AI twin is your AI avatar that looks like you. An AI avatar is an AI character that does not look like you. If you guys want to learn how to make money with your avatar as well, I did create a $5 monthly community. This is exactly what it looks like. I teach you how to build your AI twin, how to build your AI avatar if you don't want to use your face. I give you guys access to my chat GPT prompt bot that I give you guys access to my custom chat GPT bot that spits out prompts for you for free. And I also give you ways to monetize your AI avatar only for $5 a month, you guys. Go ahead and click the description in the comment, then click the link to get access to the AI Twin Starter Shop, and let's start making money with AI today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.